So in this video, we are going to learn how to automate YouTube comment moderation and reply using AI agent. So we are going to build an AI agent which will automatically detect the spam comment on our YouTube channel and delete them, and also reply to the genuine comments which we are receiving. So this AI agent will first capture the new comments which we are getting on our YouTube channel. Then it will send the new comments which we are receiving to OpenAI, and using OpenAI, we are going to review the comments, and OpenAI is going to tell us whether it's a spam comment or a genuine comment. If it is a spam comment, in the next step, we are going to delete the comment, and if it is a genuine comment, then OpenAI is going to give us the reply for the same comment as well, and we are going to post that reply back on the comment. At last, we are going to add the details of each and every comment in our Google spreadsheet to maintain a record over there. Now, if you want to know how you can build this AI agent all by yourself, for that, let me just take you to my screen.
So as you can see, this is my YouTube channel studio. And here you can see that we have created an AI agent using which, as I receive a new comment on my YouTube channel, this AI agent will automatically detect whether it's a spam comment or not. If it is a spam comment, this AI agent will automatically detect and delete that comment from my YouTube channel. And if it is a genuine comment, if it is not a spam comment, then this AI agent will automatically reply to the same comment as well. Also, while doing all of this AI agent will add the details of all the comments in my Google spreadsheet as well. Now to do this, to connect all of these applications, all of these platforms and build this AI agent, we have used Pabbly Connect. Now, before we start with Pabbly Connect and the step-by-step process of creating this AI agent from scratch, let me just delete the existing reply which I have posted on this comment on my YouTube channel. Also from my Google spreadsheet, I'll just delete the details of these comments from here. And now let's start with the process. To get started with Pabbly Connect, just go to your browser and search for Pabbly, pabbly.com/connect. And here you can see that we have reached to Pabbly Connect's landing page. Here we have two options, sign in and sign up free. Now, if you're new to Pabbly, by clicking on this sign up free button, you can set up your free Pabbly account in just 2 minutes. Or if you're an existing Pabbly user, just click on sign in. After signing in, we will reach to this all apps page of Pabbly. And here we just have to click on access now below Pabbly Connect. After clicking on access now, we will reach to Pabbly Connect's dashboard. And after reaching to this dashboard, we have to create an automation workflow for our AI agent. For that, just click on this create workflow button and give this workflow a name. Let's say I'll name it as AI agent for YouTube comments. You can basically give any other name as per your choice. After naming our workflow, we just have to select the folder of our Pabbly Connect account in which we want to create this agent, this AI workflow, and click on create. And as we click on create, here you can see that the workflow will open in front of us. In this workflow, we have two different windows. First one is the trigger window and second one is the action window. So triggers and actions are basically those two concepts, those two principles on which this workflow, this AI agent works on, where the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. So let's start with our trigger step. Now the idea here is first we have to connect our YouTube channel with Pabbly Connect in this trigger step, so that whenever we get a new comment on our YouTube channel, the same comment can be captured by this AI agent and our AI agent will trigger, will start. Then after that, this AI agent will send the same comment to OpenAI or to any other AI platform you can use instead of OpenAI. And using OpenAI or our AI platform, we are going to basically detect that the comment which we have received, whether that is a spam comment or we have basically received a genuine comment. If it is a spam comment, it will give us a reply as spam. And if it is a genuine comment, it will give us a reply as not spam. And also we will get the reply of that particular comment as well. Now, after getting the reply, we are going to check that if it is not a spam comment, then we are going to post the reply back on the same comment. And if OpenAI detect that the comment which we have received is a spam, then in that case, using the same AI agent, we are going to delete that comment from our YouTube channel. So let's see how it is done. Here in trigger step, in choose app, search for YouTube and select it. After selecting YouTube, in trigger event from the drop down, select the trigger event as new comment on a channel. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this connect with YouTube button. Then after that, here from the pop-up window, select your YouTube channel, your YouTube account. After selecting your account, just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our YouTube account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us for the channel. So it is most likely possible that into a single YouTube account, you might have created multiple channels. If so, in this drop-down of channel, you will get a list of all the channels over here. And the new comments from which particular YouTube channel you want to capture, you have to select that. Right now, I have only one channel named as Demo Channel. So we are going to select that over here. After selecting the channel, it is asking us for the max result. That every time this AI agent will fetch the new comments from our YouTube channel, how many comments we want this AI agent to fetch. So I want to fetch only one comment at a time, so I'm entering max result as 1. Now after entering max result, when we will click on this save and send test request button, the details of the last comment, the most recent comment which we have received on our YouTube channel, the details of that comment will be received inside Pabbly Connect. So here you can see that on our YouTube channel, we have this particular comment which says beautiful scenic view of nature. And then this is the comment over here which we have received. And if I click on this save and send test request button in Pabbly Connect workflow, here you can see that we have received the response. And in this response, we have received the details of the same comment. We have the video ID of the same video on which we have basically received the comment. So if I open this video in a new tab, you can see that this is the exact same videos whose ID we have received inside Pabbly Connect. After video ID, we will scroll down. Here you can see that we have the actual comment over here, what comment the user has posted. Then after that, we will scroll down further. We have our channel ID. Then here you can see we have the display name of the user of the account who has posted the comment. We will scroll down further and here you can see we have this unique comment ID of this particular comment. So in this way, the step 1 of building this AI agent is completed, where we have captured the details of a new comment from our YouTube channel by this AI agent in this Pabbly Connect workflow. Now after this, let's move to step 2. In step 2, we want to send this same comment to our AI platform like OpenAI, and then using OpenAI, we are going to check that whether it is a spam comment or not. If it is a spam comment, then we are going to create a route in this automation workflow to delete this comment. And if this comment is not spam, then we are going to automatically reply to this comment as well. So using AI agent, if the comment is not spam, it will also give us the reply of the same comment as well. Now to do this, just scroll down, come to this action step, and here in choose app, search for OpenAI. Just select it. After selecting OpenAI, an action event from the drop-down, select the action event as ChatGPT structured AI output. We are going to use this particular action event because we want 2 different responses using one single action of OpenAI, of ChatGPT. The first response will of the spam comment, if the comment is spam or not. And the second response will be the reply. If the comment is not spam, then we are going to get the reply as well. After selecting this action event, just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our OpenAI account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, we have to basically enter the API key of our OpenAI account. Now you must be thinking how you can get this API key. To get it, just go to your OpenAI account and from the dashboard on the left sidebar, you can see this option of API keys. Just click on it and click on this create new secret key button. Now we just have to give this secret key a name. So let's say I'll name it as YouTube comments. Then just select the project of your OpenAI account in which you are generating the API key and select the permissions as all. And click on create secret key. As you click on create secret key, the API key will be generated. Just copy the API key from here, go to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. And after pasting the API key, just click on save. And as you click on save, here you can see that our OpenAI account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, it is asking us to select the AI model. So in this dropdown, here you can see a list of all the models which you can use to check the moderation of the comment and get the response using this action step. Out of all of this, I'm going to use GPT-4o Mini as the model over here. Then it is asking us for the role or roles. So in this dropdown, we have 3 options: user, system, assistant. So we can basically send the question, send the prompt to OpenAI using any of these roles. Also, if you want, using this particular action, if you want to send messages for different roles, you can do that too. So you can basically add multiple roles over here. Like right now from this dropdown, we have selected only one option of role, that is user. So here you can see that we have only one field of content user. But as it is mentioned in this help text below, if you want, we can enter multiple roles over here separated by comma. So let's say I want to add two different roles. I'm going to send the prompt in two different roles. First, I'm going to set up a system prompt over here, and then in the user prompt, we are going to share the actual comment which we have received. Now to enter multiple roles, just turn this mapping button on as written in the help text, clear the default response, and we have to write the name of the roles which we want to add over here separated by comma. So I want to add two roles. For example, first I want to enter the system prompt and then I want to enter the user prompt. So I have written system comma user. If you want to basically add some more roles or just repeat these roles as well, separated by comma, you can enter it over here. After entering the role here, you can see that for both the roles, two different fields are added. Now here in the field of content system, we are going to enter our system prompt where we are going to specify that what do we want ChatGPT or OpenAI to do. And here in content user, we are going to basically share the comment that for what comment we want to basically check whether it's spam or not or generate the reply. So I have already created a system prompt and also a user prompt. So let me just enter both of these prompts over here. Okay, so as you can see, these are the two prompts I have entered. In system prompt, I have entered, you are a YouTube comment moderation assistant. Your job is to identify whether a comment is spam or not. If it is a spam, also generate a short, friendly and relevant reply to the comment. If it is a spam, do not generate the reply. Be concise and professional. Use language appropriate for a content creator replying to their audience. Also in this prompt, you can basically enter some kind of background of your YouTube channel and the type of content you basically publish on your YouTube channel. In this way, OpenAI will have a context that what kind of comments or what is the reference for the comment or the question the user is asking, and it can basically reply on the basis of that. After entering the system prompt, here we have entered the user prompt over here, which is just simple line which is saying, analyze the following YouTube comment for spam detection and reply generation. So we have basically cleared everything out in the system prompt over here. And here in user prompt in front of comment, we have to actually enter the comment which we have received on our YouTube channel. So we have received a new comment from our YouTube channel in the trigger step of this workflow. So from the trigger step responses, we are going to add this response of comment to this OpenAI action step. And to add the trigger step responses into the action step, we are going to use a process called mapping. And the process of mapping is very simple. We will just click on this field of content user in front of comment, and here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses which we have received from YouTube of a new comment in the trigger step. Out of all of these responses, select the response of the comment over here which we have received and map it. After mapping the comment and entering the prompt, in the next field, it is asking us response format, that in which particular format we want to receive the response from OpenAI. Now, by default, if we keep it blank, OpenAI is going to give us a text response, and into a single response, it is going to mention that this particular message is a spam or not. Now here what we want to do, we want to basically get two different responses. One is the status or the type of the comment, whether it is spam or not spam. And the second kind of response we want to get, that if the comment is not spam, in the second response, we want to get the reply of that comment as well. So here what we can do, we can basically get the response as a JSON schema, as a structured JSON or in a structured format from OpenAI. To get this kind of response, here in the response format from the help text, we have to add this text over here. So in double quotes, we are mentioning that we want the response type to be a JSON schema. And then we also have to specify that what is the JSON schema, what is the proper structure in which we want to get the reply from OpenAI. And we have to enter that JSON schema, that structure over here. Now you must be thinking, what is the JSON schema, what is the structure, and how you can generate it as per your choice. So let me tell you, OpenAI has a tool itself using which we can generate the JSON schema. Just go to your OpenAI account and then go to this docs section. After coming to docs, from the left sidebar, go to this section of structured output and click on this generate button. Now here in this pop-up window, we have to basically specify that for what kind of fields or what kind of details we want to receive, and OpenAI will automatically generate a JSON schema according to that. So we are going to also specify that what kind of response we want. So here I have mentioned that give me response of comment type as spam or not spam. If the comment is not spam, then give me the reply for that comment as well. And if the comment is spam, then keep the response of reply as blank. So I've basically described that what kind of response I'm expecting from OpenAI. Now let's click on create. And as to click on create, here you can see that OpenAI is going to generate a JSON schema. And the JSON schema is generated over here. Here in this JSON schema, we are getting response for two fields. First of comment type and second is of reply over here. What we have to do, we just don't have to do anything. Copy this JSON schema from here, go to Pabbly Connect, and here in this response format, in this quotes over here, in this curly braces, we have mentioned that we want the response type as JSON format, and then after a comma in front of JSON schema, we want to basically paste the same JSON schema which is given by OpenAI. After entering the response format, it is asking us for the user. Now, if you want to basically have a history or maintain a track record or have a chat of every unique user who is posting the comment on your YouTube channel, for each user, you want to basically create a different conversation, a unique conversation, you can just enter the unique identifier over here. Now, in this way, what you can do, you can just have a track of the users who are posting comments on different videos of your YouTube channel. Let's say a single person is posting multiple comments or interacting with your YouTube channel via comment on multiple videos. In that case, you will be having a complete track record. This AI assistant or this OpenAI at action step will have a complete track record of the previous comments and the replies which we have given to that particular user. If you want to use this kind of functionality, you have to enter the unique identifier over here. And in the unique identifier, if you want, you can enter the name of the person over here, the display name of the person who is posting that particular comment. But right now, I just don't want to add this kind of functionality. So we are just keeping this field of user as blank. Then it is asking us max tokens, sampling type, sampling values, presence penalty, and you can basically enter all of these details over here to twerk the kind of response or kind of result you want to basically generate from OpenAI. How creative or how repetitive response for the reply you want from OpenAI, you can just enter the values over here and change it according to that. Right now, I'm just going with the default values. Now, after entering all the prompts and sharing the response format, we will just click on Save and Send Test Request. And as we click on Save and Send Test Request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have shared over here, basically we have shared the prompt and we have shared the comment which we have received on our YouTube channel. And after processing this comment, OpenAI has given us the response that the comment type is not spam. And because the comment type is not spam, that's why we have received the response of reply as well over here. So you can see that it has detected the comment which we have received on our YouTube channel is not a spam comment. And this is the reply for that particular comment. Now, after this, here you can see that after this step, after completing the step 2 of building this AI agent, we have to move to step 3. And in step 3, we have two different routes, two different branches in this AI agent, in this automation. The first branch, the first condition is if the comment is not spam, then we want to post this reply for the comment and add the details in Google spreadsheet. But if the comment is spam, then we want this AI agent to continue to the second route and then it should basically delete the same comment. And to add these kind of routes, these kind of branches or logics in our automation in this workflow, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly Connect called router. Just click on this add action step button over here and then here in choose app, select router Pabbly. After selecting router Pabbly in action event from the drop down, select the action event as conditionally run and click on connect. After clicking on connect, by default, it has added two different routes over here. But by clicking on this add route button, you can add as many routes as you want in this workflow, in this AI agent. But we just need two routes over here. The first route is if the comment is not spam. In that case, we want to post the reply. So I'll just replace the name, rename this route over here as not spam, and then click on update. And then we will just click on this set filter and action step. And the next thing it asks us is the filter. That how this AI agent will come to know that this workflow should be continued using this particular route. For that, what we are going to do, we are going to set up a filter condition. So here in filter, in select label, in this drop down, you can see a list of all the responses from previous two steps. Now, out of all of these responses, from the responses of OpenAI which we have received the comment type. And we are going to select this label of comment type. If we get the response of comment type as not spam, only in that case, this workflow, this AI agent will continue using this route. So we have entered this filter condition and then just click on the save and send test request. And if OpenAI detects that the comment is not spam, in that case, this workflow will be executed using this route. Now, if the comment is not spam, then what we want to do? We want to post the reply given by OpenAI on our YouTube channel for the same comment. For that, just click on this add action step button and here in choose app, search for YouTube. After selecting YouTube, this time in action event from this drop down, we are going to select the action event as reply comment. So let's search for the action event over here. We'll just search for the comment of reply to comment and select it. After selecting action event, just click on connect. And because we have connected our YouTube account with Pabbly Connect in the trigger step, we don't have to make a new connection. You can just select the existing connection and click on save. Once we click on save, it is asking us for the reply text. That what is the reply text, what is the reply message which we want to post. And we have basically received the reply from OpenAI. So once again, we will use the process of mapping. Just click on this field of reply text and from the drop down from OpenAI responses, select the response of reply message and map it over here. After mapping the reply, it is asking us for the comment ID. That what is the unique ID of the comment whose reply we want to post. And we have received the comment ID from YouTube in the trigger step. So we'll just click on this field and from the drop down from trigger step responses of YouTube, we will select the response of the comment ID over here and map it. And after mapping both of these details, just click on save and send test request. Now when we click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received some response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the reply which was given by OpenAI for the comment, the same reply is posted back on a YouTube channel for the same comment. So we'll just go to a YouTube studio and refresh this comments page once. And yes, here you can see that just now 20 seconds ago, for the same comment which we have captured by our AI agent, the reply is generated by OpenAI. It has detected that this is not a spam comment. It has given us the reply message and we have posted the reply as well. Now, after posting the reply, we just want to add the details of this comment in our Google spreadsheet as well. Now, to do this, what we will do, we will just scroll down and click on this add action step button over here. And then here in choose app, we will search for Google Sheets. Just select it. After selecting Google Sheets, in action event from the drop down, select the action event as add new row. Then just click on connect and select add new connection. Now here we have to connect our Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. And to make this connection, click on this sign in with Google button. Then after that, here from the pop-up window, select your Google Sheets account, then just scroll down and click on continue. And as we click on continue, we will see our Google Sheets account will get connected with Pabbly Connect. After making the connection, here the first thing it asks us is to select the spreadsheet. So here in this drop down, you can see a list of all the spreadsheets which we have in our Google Sheets account. Out of all of this, the spreadsheet in which I want to add my YouTube comment details is named as YouTube Comments. So from this drop down, we are going to select the same spreadsheet. Now in this Google spreadsheet, I have only one sheet named as Sheet 1. That's why in the select sheet drop down, we have only one option of Sheet 1 and we are going to select that. Then all the columns of data which we have created in this Google Sheet, you can see all of these columns as fields over here. And as you can guess, one by one, we are going to map all the details into their respective field. Like here in the field of username, from the YouTube's trigger step response, we are going to map the response of the username of the person who has posted the comment. Then here in the field of comment over here, we are just going to map the response of the actual comment which we have received. Then after that, here in video URL, we are going to enter the video URL. But from YouTube, we don't get the complete video URL. So what you can do, you can just map the video ID, and before your video ID, you can just enter this part of the link. Like if I open this link in a new tab, the video link in the new tab, you can see that in the YouTube video, this earlier part of the link is same for each and every video. After V equals to, the particular video ID is added, and that makes the link a unique link. So you can just copy the video link over here from here and then paste it over here. And in this way, this makes the complete video URL. So this part of the link stays the same and only the video IDs change for each and every comment. Then here in comment type from OpenAI responses, we are going to map the response of the type of the comment which is detected by OpenAI. And here in reply, if OpenAI generates the reply, if the comment type is not spam, then whatever reply OpenAI is giving, we are mapping that reply over here. And after mapping all of these details, just click on save and send test request. And as we click on save and send test request, here you can see that we have received a response. And this response seems to be a positive response to us. This response shows that the details which we have mapped over here, these details are now added in this Google spreadsheet. So let's check it. We will just go to a Google Sheet, and yes, here you can see that in our Google spreadsheet, the same details of the received comment are added. We have the username of the same person, the same comment. We have the URL, the link of the same video on which this comment is received. We have the comment type detected by OpenAI and also the reply which we have posted, which was given by OpenAI. So this part of the flow of this AI agent is completed, and if OpenAI detects the comment is not spam, this particular route of the workflow will be continued. Now we have to basically set up the second route as well. Now instead of creating the complete route, what you can do, you can just clone the previous route over here and then rename it as well. So I'll just rename it as spam over here. Like if the comment is spam, then we want this AI agent to continue using this route. Now, if we click on this set filter and actions tab, we just have to update the filter over here. We want to update the filter as if OpenAI detects that the comment type is equals to spam, only in that case, this AI agent should continue this flow using this route. Now we will click on this save and send test request button, and here you can see that it is showing us the condition is false. So it is showing us false because the response which we have captured of the comment, this particular comment, it is not a spam comment, and OpenAI has given us the response as not spam. So that's why in this case, this particular AI agent will not continue this workflow using this route. This means it is working perfectly fine. Now, after detecting that the comment is spam, what we want to do, we don't want to reply to the comment. We want to delete this comment. So here from the YouTube action step in this route, we will select the action event of delete comment over here. So I'll just search for the action event of delete a comment and select it. Then just click on connect. And once again, we don't have to make a new connection. You can select the existing connection and click on save. After clicking on save, the only thing it asks us is the comment ID. And here we have to enter or map the comment ID from the YouTube trigger step responses. So from the drop down, we are going to select the response of comment ID and map it. And in this way, in this action event, we are telling YouTube that this is the particular comment which we want to delete from our channel. And then just click on save. Now, because we have captured the response of a comment which is not a spam, that's why we are just mapping the comment ID and clicking on save and not clicking on save and send test request, because when we click on save and send test request, this particular action takes place. But right now, if we click on save, here you can see that it is basically going to save this step over here. Now, after doing this, after saving this action step, we have already added the Google Sheets action step, and it is going to stay the same. Even if the comment is detected as spam, we want to add all the details of the comment in our Google spreadsheet. So we'll just save this step as well. And we have successfully created the flow over here, this AI agent over here. And this AI agent now will check for new comments in our YouTube channel. And if we get any new comment, it will automatically send the same comment to OpenAI. Using OpenAI, it is going to check the moderation, check the comment that whether it is a spam comment or not. If it is not a spam comment, then we are going to post the reply for the same comment and add the details in Google Sheets. And if the comment which we have received is a spam, in that case, this AI agent will automatically delete the same comment from our YouTube channel as well. Now, after building this AI agent, we are going to test this AI agent once. For that, I'm just going to post a spam comment on one of the video on my YouTube channel. So here you can see that this is the section over here. Now, I'll just open this link over here. Let me just open this video from a different user's account. So I'll just switch my YouTube account over here. So this is the YouTube account from which I'm going to post the comment. And then let me just enter a spam comment. So this is the video link. I'm going to post some dummy spam comment over here. This is just a spam text. Let's post it as comment. And as I post it as comment over here, you can see that the same comment will be received on our video. So if I refresh this page, you can see that the same comment is posted, added over here. And on our YouTube studio as well, if I refresh this studio page, you can see that the same comment is shown on my YouTube studio too. Now, as I receive this new comment, you will see automatically within 10 minutes, this AI agent will capture the new comment and it is going to basically reply to the comment or delete it as well. Now, it basically takes 10 minutes of time for this AI agent to capture the new comments from our YouTube channel because the connection between YouTube and Pabbly Connect Trigger is a polling-based connection. And in this type of connection, the AI agent will check for new comments on our YouTube channel every 10 minutes. So we just have to wait for 10 minutes over here. And because it is a spam comment, you will see within 10 minutes, this comment will be deleted from my YouTube channel. Okay, so now we have successfully waited for 10 minutes. We will go back to our YouTube studio and refresh this page once. And yes, here you can see that from my YouTube channel, the same comment is deleted over here. And if I check the video as well, the same comment will be removed from the video too over here. So you can see that the comment is deleted. And if we check our Google spreadsheet, you can see that the details of the same comment are added in Google Sheets as well. So we have the name, the username of the same person, we have the same comment which was posted, we have the link of the video, and we have the comment type as spam. And because it is a spam comment, the reply for the comment is not generated. That's why it is blank. So in this, we can see that not just these applications, you can build AI agents to connect multiple applications to automate multiple processes of your business using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you want the clone link of this AI agent of this workflow, you will get it in the description box below. By clicking on that link, you can just clone this same AI agent into your own Pabbly Connect account and start using it. Also, let me tell you, Pabbly Connect offers you a free plan, and in this plan, you will get some free tasks every month into your own Pabbly Connect account. So if you want to try and test this AI agent, you can just do it for absolutely free.
So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others, or if you have any kind of doubts or queries, you can always write us in the comment box below or email us at support@pabbly.com. Also, you can post your queries on our forum as well. And if you want to check the pricing of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this link. So this is it for today's video. Thank you. Have a great day.